So this is the DeWalt fall protection tape measure holder and quick release lanyard. I don't recommend it. Thank you, OSHA, for making things that are impossible to use. This is a 35-foot tape measure that I was able to get in there, and you'll notice that the tape lock is hidden by the elastic band. It's got a belt clip, and the idea is basically you just unhook the whole thing and pull the tape out to use it. It's got this double safety strap, and I put weapons together that were easier than this. To get a tape measure in here, you've got two flaps, and then it shoves down in there. Definitely it's not going to fall out, but that just made a tape measure that's already a little bulky even more bulky. And if you can't push it out and lock it, that means you're fighting with two hands to use a tape measure when you should be able to pull it out, lock it, and then just hold it up. The lanyard, you could hold a chainsaw with this. Believe it or not, this is rated for like 3 to 5 pounds. It does have a great captive carabiner, which is great. And it's a quick release, so you can unhook it if you got to reach out really far, and then drop the whole thing anyway. So what I'll do is what I've done when I need to is I just take some parachute cord, tie myself off to the hook on the tape measure. Yeah, not worth the money. If I had paid for this, I would have taken it back. As it is, I will find something to use for this, maybe a hammer or something, but certainly not a tape measure. It just defeats the whole purpose. Thanks.